I'm Elena. I had the UAE treatment for adenomyosis by Dr. Allaei. I've been living with adenomyosis since 2022. The symptoms that I would have frequently is extreme heavy bleeding for a duration from 7 to 10 days. I couldn't teach, I couldn't work because I was constantly trying to manage the amount of menstrual blood that I was losing. I teach 90-minute periods, and when I was on my cycle, it made it impossible to go through a 90-minute class with middle schoolers. I was losing so much menstrual cycle blood that my iron was dropping. So getting someone to really believe me, it took a trip to the emergency room and me passing out before my OB was like, okay, let's refer you. And that's how I came to Dr. Allaei. Dr. Allaei was the one to first tell me about this procedure. We opted to go forward with the procedure because I didn't want a hysterectomy. I needed to be able to live my life without constantly being affected by how much blood I was losing. The office staff was so accommodating, and they opened up a chat where you could chat back and forth, which was really great. The procedure, I want to say, took less than an hour. So the recovery is 5 to 7 days. And get a heating pad and keep it next to you. That was a very big help. It's no worse than your worst cramps. It's definitely not any worse than labor. And your end result is a much easier menstrual cycle. I would 100% recommend the UAE procedure because it's better than having hysterectomy and being down for 6 weeks. And I still feel like I'm a woman and I can have a cycle that is normal and allows me to participate in my daily life. I would recommend Dr. Allaei without question. I felt like he cared about my life outside of just my menstrual cycle, like my overall life and well-being. And I would recommend him hands down. And now, instead of it being a 10-day horror show, it's, 5 days of, okay, I can tolerate this and it's not a big deal. So I'm very, very thankful, and I would do it again in a heartbeat.